In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Hostinger. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Start by logging into your Hostinger account so you land on the main dashboard. Use the email you registered with and make sure you're on the correct account if you have more than one. Once you're on the dashboard, take a moment to orient yourself. This is where you'll manage websites, domains, and support requests. On the right-hand side of the dashboard, you'll see an option labeled Ask. It's usually easy to spot, but if you don't see it immediately, scan the right column for the support or help icon. This is the gateway to Hostinger's support tools and the place you'll send your message. Click Ask to open the support interface. When you do, the panel will prompt you to pick a topic. Choose a relevant category that matches your problem. For example, website issue if your site isn't loading, or DNS issue if your domain setup is involved. Selecting the right category helps route your request to the technician best suited to help. After picking the category, choose the specific website you need help with from the list. This tells Hostinger exactly which hosting account or domain you're referring to and speeds up troubleshooting. With the website selected, look for a Check DNS Records option and click it. This built-in check can reveal common DNS problems automatically, and running it before you message support can save time. Once you've run the DNS check, click Send a message to start the conversation with support. In the message box, describe your issue clearly and concisely. Include the website address, what you expected to happen, and what's happening instead. Mention any recent changes you made to DNS, files, or settings. If you have error messages or screenshots, attach them. Visuals often make diagnosis faster and more accurate. Be polite and specific, and include any troubleshooting steps you've already tried so the agent doesn't repeat them. If you need a faster response, say so and provide a time window when you're available. After sending, watch for replies in the Ask panel and respond promptly to any follow-up questions. Following these steps will get your issue in front of the right team quickly and increase the chances of a swift resolution. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, please subscribe and like the video.